Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll learn how to schedule automated predictions and how they work in Dalfin. To schedule predictions, first navigate to the Process Orchestrator. Now, create a new process and provide a meaningful title and description for your process. Next, select the Schedule trigger. Provide a title and description for the trigger, and then set the schedule time according to when you want the prediction to run automatically. Once done, save the trigger. After that, drag the machine learning mapper from the Data Processing and ETL Events section into the workflow. Provide a title and description for this node. Then select the system and choose the model you want to use for prediction. Next, configure the mapper settings. Here, you can either add static input values or pass data from other nodes within the workflow. Once all the required configurations are completed, save the node. Now, connect the nodes in the workflow and publish the process. Once published, the system will automatically run the prediction based on the scheduled time you configured. And that's how you can schedule automated predictions in Dalfin.